Opo!
Okay. So, 12 packs po lahat kayo. Okay naman yung med-search. So, kumusta naman po ang biyahe?
Malamig po!
Okay yung na-experience niya na ito. Malamig. Kasi doon, most of the time, foggy. Kahit tirik ang araw dito sa baba, pag akyat mo, wet doon, tapos foggy, parang madilim, ganon. And most especially, pag nandun ka, you feel as if there are some spirits roaming around. And by testimonies, kasi nga, nag-guide ako, guide ako talaga, pero ngayon kasi hindi ko ma-assess. Meron akong isang guest, ako yung sweep, kami yung last group. So, ibig sabihin, ako kasi pag ako nag-guide, ako yung sweep, sinisiguro ko na ako talaga, lalo pag alanganin na yung oras, medyo papadilim na, nasa huli talaga ako to make sure na walang maliligaw sa mga guest ko. Ngayon, etong ginaid ko, pagdating namin sa summit ng Purgatory, lingon siya ng lingon sa akin. Ilang seconds lang lilingon, ilang minutes lang lilingon sa akin hanggang sa nakalagpas na kami. Nung nakalagpas kami, lumilingon ulit siya sa akin, hindi ko na lang pinapansin. Tapos, nung nakalagpas kami, pumasok na kami ulit doon sa may covered, sa may mga moses. Lumingon ulit, then tinanong ako, sabi niya, ate, saan na yung kasunod natin? Sabi niya ganun sa akin, sabi ko, sir, ako yung last, ako yung sweep, kaya ako yung last. Hindi pwedeng may tao sa likod ko, sabi ko. Eh, pinipilit niya, meron daw nakasunod sa akin, kaya pala siya nang ligon sa akin. Pero ako, lumilingon din ako paminsan-minsan, pero wala naman akong makita. So, inisip ko na lang, gusto lang magpakita sa kanya.
Welcome to Run, Climb, Repeat. If you're interested in the outdoors, in camping, in hiking, and in the mountains, you've come to the right channel. Welcome. We're right here in Japas. This is the jump off of Mount Purgatory here in Benguet. We're a group of 12. We have 3 guides. With us is our sweeper guide, Rosalinda. Ayan. So, join us. Samahan nyo kami as we climb Mount Purgatory. Right there. Salubong sa inyo, pine trees will welcome you. And that's the group. Okay? Samahan nyo kami. So, this is a protected area. No cutting of trees, no forest burning. And ahon na. Last time I was here, I think was 2017 pa. So guys, after about 30 minutes of hiking uphill, and then there was a shed a few meters down. A few more steps up, you'll get your first water source. So you can mark this. According to the other guys that went ahead last week, they were here, or 2 weeks ago. There's a lot of water sources along the trail, and I think this is the first. So that's 30 minutes after climbing, or 30 minutes after you enter the trail. And this is Ken. Hello, thank you for getting a shirt. Alright.
Run, climb, repeat. Like, share,
subscribe. Thank you. So 1 hour after, we're here in Bulo Poblacion, Bocod, Benguet. They have a school, a decent sized school. They have a court. This is the group. Patatas Rider. And Ma'am Tiffy's channel.
Content by Tiffy.
Content by Tiffy. Like and subscribe lang. So about after 4 hours of hiking, we're here in one of the residential slash agricultural communities. This is where we'll get our lunch. And if you notice, the day is a windy day, but we cannot complain. This is better than rain. 12:10, we just ate our lunch there and then resume hiking. So that's Patatas Rider. Check and subscribe his channel. Subscribe to his channel. It's Patatas Rider. After a few minutes of hiking, this is the dirt road. Down there was where we ate our lunch. We turn left. We don't go straight, but we go left towards Mount Pac. Trail. It's a dirt road. It's 180. That's where we came from. So after almost 5 hours of hiking, you see this sign from the dirt road, and we have this way to Mount Purgatory. Area, and they have a CR there. And this is our way. More monitoring station.
Sa kabila nga.
Perfect.
after 7 hours, we're here on Mount Purgatory, and it's very foggy and cold. So 4 of us already went ahead with one guide. We have 2 guides with us, and we're 8. We're a group of 8 here. Yan. So it's 5:30 according to our guide Rosalinda behind me. We'll be in the bunkhouse area in 45 minutes. So yes. Small wins. Yung trail nila is medyo nilawakan daw para makaraan ng tricycle. Pero if you take a look, nakakatakot oh. From a distance, para siyang monster. So it's 6:40. Sana nakikita nyo ako. Andito na kami ngayon sa homestay, Clinton Homestay. Nauna na yung iba, nahuli kami nila Ma'am Tiff tsaka ni Sai, but it's alright, it's all good. As long as safe lahat, walang na-injure. Kapagod. So ito yung bunkhouse namin. Morning. Day 2. We're in the bunkhouse. Most of the group went to the peak. Ano name ng peak?
Komkompol.
It's called Komkompol. It's about an hour away from the bunkhouse. And most likely they're on their way back. But there are a few who decided to be left behind. That's Ma'am Tiffy and Ma'am Sai.
Hi.
And Sir Marlon, of course. For your outdoor needs, just head on to their store, base camp, in Ali Mall in Cubao. And he's cooking breakfast. Good morning. It's 9. Pababa na kami. We're on our way down. This is where we stayed. Clinton Homestay. And this is their community. This is their CR. It's very windy. Kaya mahangin yung badminton mo, yung bird mo, yung birdie.
No, shout out to. Shout out to, run lang yung repeat. Huwag na uulit.
Patatas Rider, like and subscribe.
Kamusta po? Kamusta po, Sir Run Climb Repeat?
Sa taas pa yung alam ko, Zai.
Bakak! Ay, di na.
Baka.
Isa pa, balik ka. have started our descent, and that's where we're going, down there. Our guides say it's about 2.5 hours away. Look at that view. Morning! Gamit natin yun eh! So it's about 10:40. We're still on our descent. We passed by a small community with a store where we had a short break. And now we're back on the trail. It looks like they had a forest fire.
Ano, ba't hindi ko pinorty ko? Pero okay lang kung YouTube lang.
This is the last part of our trek. Our descent started at about 9:20. It's now 12:30. We've been walking on this concrete street, I think, for the last 30 minutes to 40 minutes. It's very painful to the knees and the feet. Signage. Welcome to Sitio Peday. Alright. So it's 12:40. We went down. It took us about 3 hours and 40 minutes. 3 hours and 20 minutes, sorry. And we are now here in Barangay Ekip. This is where we'll take a bath before going home. So, if you found any value in this upload, I hope you can do all those things. Like, subscribe, and share. And safe trails. Bye!